Dear creators, good to see you again. Today, I want to teach you the basics of the law of attraction. If you want to manifest your desires, you need to follow 3 steps. First step, what you want exactly. A new car, a specific person, a bigger salary, a loving relationship, helping an animal shelter, want to travel the world. The first thing is make a clear picture of your desire. You have to set your goals in life so you can manifest them. If you don't have any goals, you will manifest the thoughts and feelings that you have in your everyday life. Buy a nice notebook and on each page, write down your desires that you want to manifest. For example, if you want to manifest your love, write down his or her human characteristics, the appearance, the internal properties, the feelings towards you, etc. So, write down exactly what you want. If you know him or her specific person, you can also manifest them. Maybe you want a car. Specify the car you want. For example, a Hawkeye Subaru Impreza WRX STI in great condition and with low mileage. Be specific because you can manifest things fast, but maybe not as you wanted. Here is my example. When I was in high school and when an BMW E46 passed by, I had a smile on my face because I liked that car. It wasn't my biggest desire, I did not really deal with it, but it made a small feeling in me. Even with this small feeling, it came to me later, and because it wasn't a specific desire, it came to me in a crashed version. And I was like, okay, this is the type I wanted before, but the condition wasn't as I wanted. So this is why you want to specify your goals, because it can come back a little tricky. Now we arrive to the second step. The most important part in manifestation is the feelings. If you want something and you don't have feelings, you will not manifest what you want. This can be hard for some of you, but this is the real key in manifestation. You can find a whole video about feelings. If you don't know how to make feelings for your desires, you should watch it so it can help you. The third part is letting go. If you set your goal, have feelings on it, you have methods to manifest like visualization. You need to let your desires grow in the background so the universe do the rest. A lot of people struggling with this last part. How can I let go something that I want? This doesn't mean that you have to forget it or you can't think on it. It simply means that when you've done your daily visualization, just do whatever you have to do the rest of the day. Don't doubt the process. Don't think of it the way that this will not work. Focus on your job, your training, your pet, or on anything you need to do. Law of attraction is an easy thing. Just trust the universe and the process. Like fishing, throw in your desires and the fish will come. And this is it. When you set your intention, the universe will respond to that. If you are in line with the process, the universe will shape the reality to get your desires. When you do your manifestations, the different desires can come in different shapes and forms. You have to watch for the signs that come to your life. The smallest desires can be achieved with small steps. The bigger dreams can have more steps. So open your eyes. You can get help from a new person, you can have a new idea from a movie quote, and millions of opportunities can occur, so you will get closer to your desires. So you need to notice these things and take action and grab these opportunities. Thank you for your time. See you at the next one.